Guys, today we have this Emperor ceiling fan. If you've seen the Evergo fan, I got this with it though. I told somebody in my comments about it, but I never made a video about it yet. And I think this is a Marco Polo Emperor. I'm not sure. I'm pretty because of the light kit. That's what I think it is. Because it didn't come with the motor housing, and the down rod and canopy aren't original. If it was original, I'd use that to hang it up. Yeah, I can start by putting this on low. Turn. Time for medium. Okay. I think that's medium. No, I'll put it on high. There, turn the light on. Okay, got high, ready? Okay guys, see you in the next video. This was this fan. See you when I demonstrate another one.